Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to easily fix Spectrum Modem blinking orange. A glitch can be preventing your router from working properly. Restarting it can help. To power cycle your router, unplug it from the power source for about 1 minute, then plug it back in. If you have a separate modem, disconnect all cables from both the modem and the router. Wait a full minute, then plug everything back in. Rule out router or modem capability, if they are separate, by unplugging both of them. Waiting a few minutes and then only plugging in the modem. Once the lights on your modem aren't blinking anymore, plug in your router and wait about 10 minutes to see if an orange light is blinking. If the light is blinking, you most likely have an incompatible pair of devices and should contact your ISP. Your router light also flashes orange when it's updating. If your router is set to update its firmware automatically, the light will flash orange during the update process and the router will reboot itself. It might take around 15 minutes for the update to start and finish. If you haven't updated it recently, you'll want to check if there are updates. Although these are usually automatic, you can also log into your router's admin dashboard and go to maintenance, router upgrade and check. Your ISP may be down for maintenance or have unscheduled outages. If the flashing orange light on your router is still there, there's usually a problem with your internet service provider or your account. See if your ISP is having issues in your area. You can check online if you have another internet connected device, like your phone, or you can call your local ISP's office. Reset your router by turning it off and pressing the reset button for about 30 seconds. Your router will act like the day you got it, so you'll need to set up any limitations or configurations again. If the light's still flashing, the issue is either your internet service provider, your account with that service provider, or a problem with your hardware. Your ISP can help with any of these issues. They can also reference the error logs from your router or modem. If you found this video helpful, you can thank me with a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in another video.